Why templates boost note-taking efficiency.
Templates save time by providing preset structures for notes. When you use a template, you no longer start from scratch. This helps you capture key information faster during meetings or classes and keeps your notes clear and organized. With less effort spent on formatting, you can focus more on understanding and participating in real time.
Basic elements of an effective note-taking template.
An ideal note-taking template includes essential sections like date, topic, agenda, main points, action items, and follow-up questions. In classes, you might add lecture objectives or summary boxes. For work meetings, space for attendees and decisions made can be helpful. These consistent sections make it easier to review and retrieve information whenever you need it.
Creating and customizing your own templates.
Start by listing what you usually capture in your notes. Use digital tools like word processors, note-taking apps, or spreadsheets to create a layout. Customize the template to match different contexts, such as brainstorming sessions, technical lectures, or project meetings. Over time, refine your templates based on what works best to support your workflow.
Digital tools that simplify template use.
Many popular apps offer template features. For example, Notion, OneNote, and Google Docs all let you design and save templates for quick reuse. These tools often allow you to duplicate your template each time you start a new meeting or class, ensuring consistency. Some apps even support automation, like autofilling dates or syncing calendars.
Tips for making the most of note-taking templates.
To reap the full benefits, use your templates regularly and update them as your needs change. Don't be afraid to adjust sections or add prompts that help you think better. Set aside a few minutes before meetings or lectures to open your template so you're prepared to take effective notes from the very start.